continuing the tradition because Ikebana is a tradition. By teaching it should live people. So, traditions have to be nurtured. Thank you, ma'am, for nurturing traditions. Love for nature, flowers.
Why Ikebana is so attractive to me? Mainly because maybe it's the minimalism and the simplicity of it, using less flowers and stressing on the concept of nature. Not really, it's not a concept, nature itself, how we can appreciate it, how we appreciate the wabi-sabi art of it, the impermanence of nature also, and that beauty is what is captured in Ikebana.
Here and see so much of color in flowers and the people. It's beautiful.
2003, I shifted to Gurgaon, so we started the Gurgaon Ikebana International. That's how one by one, things are coming up. It has gone. If I compare it to what was the scene 40 years, 50 years ago, it's much more. But I see a very bright future for Ikebana.